Hey folks, I'm Mr. Hartzler, and I want to talk to you about structure applications, or PEMDAS, folks. That's all it is. It's just PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It's fine. All right, let's check out this. You hopefully remember this. If not, not a big deal. It's a pretty easy acronym. PEMDAS, or please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And the P just stands for parentheses. The E is for your exponents, and M multiplication, D division, A is addition, and S is subtraction, and we do that from left to right. But that just means that this is the order we do stuff, right? We do the parentheses things first, then we do the exponents, then we multiply stuff, then we divide. It's not terrible. Let's do some examples. So here, I do not subtract 22 and 6. The first thing I do, right, because it's PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. It says I have to do parentheses first. There are none. Then I have to do exponents. There are none. Then I have to multiply. There is. So this 2 times 6. What is 2 times 6? Or, well, 6 times 2. What is it? Well, it is 12. So just bringing that 22 down, and now it's minus 12. Now, is there parentheses, exponents? No. Multiplication? No. Division? No. Add? No. Subtraction? Yes. I need to do that. What is 22 minus 12? 10. Boom. Done. Now over here, same situation. So I've got it. I don't have that squiggle anymore. I just made the squiggle bigger. Anyway, I have to do parentheses first. Are there any? No. Then I have to do exponents. Are there any? No. Multiplication? Ding, ding, ding. There is. So 6 times 2 gets me 12. Then I need to just bring down all of the other stuff I still have to do. And parentheses, exponents, multiplication, no. Division, yes. That's the next thing I have to do. I can't add the 3 and the 1 yet. I have to do the division part first. So 12 divided by 3. You can pull out your calculator if you want, but that is 4. I'm just bringing down that plus 1, right? It's just tracking right along. Now there's none of these things. There's no, ooh, there actually is adding. No subtraction though. That's nice. 4 plus 1, 5. Not too shabby, right? These though get a little more intricate. Because remember, PEMDAS. Ooh, I forgot my D in there. You get it. PEMDAS. So I have to do the parentheses part first. So 2 minus 1. Okay. 2 minus 1 gets me 1. That's the only thing I've changed, just the stuff inside my parentheses. Exponents, none. We won't have any of those for a little while. Then we have to multiply. There's no multiplication symbol between this 3 and the 1, but it is multiplication. I do have to multiply this 3 and 1. And 3 times 1 gets me 3. I keep working my way down the list. I'm always going to check the P first. None, no exponents, no multiplication, no division, no, oh, there is adding. 4 plus 3 gets me 7. All right, over to the next one. Same deal. Are there any parentheses? There is. There's actually 2 styles of parentheses. I've got my brackets way out here, and then I have my parentheses in the middle. So my we're still in parentheses. Duh, got ahead of myself there. So 8, I'm going to leave it alone. This 2, I'm not going to do anything with it yet either. I'm going to work all the way to my innermost parentheses, which is this 1 plus 3. That stuff in there. 1 plus 3 gets me 4. Okay. Now, I have this negative outside my parentheses. That negative gets distributed or just multiplied in to that negative 4. And what is a negative times a positive 4? Just a negative 4. That's all I have now, right? It was a 2 minus 4, still 2 minus 4. And I have to check. Do I have parentheses? I do. I have a whole nother layer of parentheses. What is 2 minus 4? Well, that's a negative 2. Then I don't have parentheses. Well, I guess I do have parentheses anymore. But it's parentheses, but it's actually multiplication. So an 8 times this negative 2. Even though there's nothing between them, that's how I know it's multiplication. So 8 times negative 2 gets me a negative 16, and that one is done. That's it, folks. That's PEMDAS, and that's not too bad. Give it a shot, and of course, rewatch this video or ask a teacher if you have any questions. Bye, everybody.